So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the text is not aligning to the center of your video. Now, for example, this is a text, and if I click on this one, you'll notice that it is not on the center of the screen. Now, in order to fix that, first of all, make sure that under this text section right there, it has been selected to center align right there. Now, once you have done it, uh, come to the top and make sure this position settings is set to 540 to 960 right there. Now once you do these settings, you'll notice that your text cells appear to be on the center of your screen, and if it does not, just simply scroll down again and make sure that these settings is also set to 540 to 960, and these are the default center settings, and that will definitely gonna align your text to the center of your video on Premiere Pro. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.